The OneSpan Sign mobile app includes offline capabilities, allowing users to prepare and sign documents from anywhere, anytime, regardless of internet connectivity. After signing offline and once an internet connection is available, the solution will automatically upload and synchronize transactions to the OneSpan Sign service. Let's take a look at how this feature works. To begin, go to Settings and make sure you enable Auto Synchronize to synchronize your offline transactions as soon as there is Wi-Fi or internet connectivity. If you have a transaction in the queue, it will automatically synchronize. You can also prepare your document for e-signature while you're offline. Press Create New Transaction. Enter a name for your transaction. Next, add a document to your transaction and the recipients who need to sign your document. Since you're offline, access a document from your local library. Next, add your signers to your document. Enter your signer's first name, last name, and email address, or select a contact from your device's contact list. This is an example of a face-to-face signing scenario. Go to Settings and select Enable in-person signing. Now that we've added our document and identified our signers, let's move on to adding signature blocks to the document. Simply tap the signature field and drag the signature blocks to the appropriate areas on your document. Your document is now ready for signing. Tap Send. Because this is an in-person signing scenario, the document can be signed in real time, right after you prepare your document. Tap to sign the signature block that requires your signature. Now it's your client's turn to sign the document. Your document has been signed offline. While offline, the icon on the left-hand side of the screen will indicate that you have a transaction in the synchronization queue. Tap the icon to see the recently created transaction in the queue. The moment you're back online, OneSpan Sign will make sure your document is immediately synced up and transaction list is updated. From the dashboard, select Completed to view your recent transaction that is synced up with the rest of your OneSpan Sign transactions. Ready to go mobile with e-signatures? Download the OneSpan Sign mobile app today and discover how easy it is to send, sign, and manage documents on the go.